mathematics. And this year, it's 2018, and this is the question that came during that time. So let's see how best can we propound this problem so that we can see how we can come up with a solution over the same. So when you look at this question, first of all, identify where the areas where we need to do some expansion. And where the areas where we need to expand is to the negative side, where we have a negative y. So simply do this, you're just going to say that 4x the way it is, and then you expand. Negative multiplied by 8 is going to be a negative 8, like this. A negative multiplied by negative x is going to be positive x, like this. Is equal to, we are going to have x plus 4, like this. And therefore, from there, we now collect like terms. So, like terms that we have, we can group them like this. We're simply going to say that 4x the way it is, I have plus x the way it is, I have plus x the way it is, and then is equal to minus, I have x the other side is equal to, this is 4 plus 8. The active inverse of 8 to the other side is actually going to be a positive. When I add these two, I'll get 5x. 5x minus x is equal to, when I add these two, the result is going to be 12. And then the difference there is going to be 4x, which will be equal to 12, like this. And thereafter, I'll divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is number 4, both sides of one equation. And thereafter, as I divide, the result is going to be a 3. So my final answer is going to be x is equal to 3. Let's look at this equation also. How can we solve this equation? It actually comes in maths paper 2. That's how they can also ask you in another way around of an equation. How can you solve this equation? First of all, you look at this part here. X minus 2 is the numerator part, and we know that that part is divisible by 1. So from the look of things, the way these things are, we can cross multiply, just like this one, meaning that this 2 multiplies this thing, and 1 multiplies the whole part here. That's how we can answer that question. So say 2 multiplies x minus 2, and then this one will multiply the other one. We know the result is going to be the same. Nothing is going to change. And thereafter, we are going to say that we multiply this time this one. Here we're going to have 2x. This time this one, it's minus 4, is equal to this, and this one, we're going to have 3x, like that. This time this one, we're going to have minus 5. So now, when coming to the issue of crossing multiply, the issue of crossing multiply, that's where everything will start from. We'll say, the way these things are, we want to say that it's going to be 2x minus 3x is equal to negative 5. The active inverse of this one here is going to be a positive 4, like this one. Remember that when the difference of these two here, which is the active inverse of positive 3x, which is the minus here, upon correcting like terms, the answer is going to be the negative x. The difference between the two is equal to, here, negative 5 plus 4, which is the same as 4 minus 5. The result is a negative 1. We've not solved the question yet. We divide both sides by signs there. Even there by negative sign. Sign divided by negative, the result is going to be positive x is equal to, the negative divided by negative, the result is going to be positive 1. So the value of x is equal to 1 at this juncture.